guys, welcome to another video by Basics by Barry. We talk about affordable fashion, footwear, and lifestyle choices. And today I got a banger for you guys. I know I've been going for a little while, traveling, visiting family, enough with the excuses. It's 2021, new start, we starting fresh, man, and I got a banger. And this shoe right here, man, I've been wanting it for a long time. But no further ado, let's get into it. Nike was losing me with these boxes, but let's see what we got in here. For those that don't know, might be a little washed out because of the lighting, but you know that emblem, man. Like, you know exactly what that is. So let's get into it. Sneaker we have here are the Kobe 6 Protros. For those that don't know, that's performance and retro together, but it is colorway is green apple, black volt, and crimson. And of course, I got my size 11.5 to a 12, depending on what the shoe is, but let's get right into it. Sheesh. Man, these shoes are, they're the truth, man, for sure. Let's go ahead and close this up. All right, so I know it's kind of hard to see, a little washed out. I'll put a B-roll in so you can see exactly the details of the sneaker, but this shoe, man, this is a retro, so the shoe has came out before. When the first time, 2010, on Christmas Day, actually, Kobe was playing the Miami Heat, and he debuted this sneaker, this colorway of this sneaker, so to speak. And actually, those who were at the game on courtside received bags with these sneakers in there just for being courtside at that game as a Christmas present. So Kobe was definitely a great, marketing scheme for Kobe and the shoe to come out. But this colorway here is vibrant, it's bright, the detail is amazing. As you can see, the scales here is dope, man. It's green apple and red colorway. I love them. They're a nice new sneaker to have. Like I said, if you're a true sneakerhead, man, you know we're not doing the green. We're throwing the red laces in. Just give it a pop of color to have, man. But this shoe here is a dope sneaker. I've been wanting it for a minute. The 2010 pair went up to almost over $1,000 actually, and that's just not my thing. I believe in affordable fashion, affordable footwear. If you have to pay retail and it's thousands or triple what the sneaker actually costs, I'm not a fan of that. I would just rather go without it, but I'm fortunate enough that they re-released this sneaker. I was able to get my hands on it. The subscribers that already follow my channel, y'all know I'm kind of big, way more into Jordans and, Adidas and stuff like that as far as aesthetically wearing. But if I were to get any basketball shoe to wear, it would be these, man. Like, this shoe is dope. It's definitely something you're not wearing every day. It's super bright, super vibrant, but I feel like it can be styled and be a dope shoe to have in your collection. Me personally, like I said, I'm throwing the red in. I can't wait to put them on feet. I'm glad, rest in peace, Kobe. This shoe is definitely in memory of him. Didn't think it would ever come out again, but I'm glad that it did. This colorway is super dope, man, with the little see-through translucent bottom with the green hues and the red Kobe emblem on the back. But like I said, it's a great shoe to have. If you were able to get them, I'm glad you did. They released Christmas Eve of 2020, so last year. For all those that did get them, happy for you. Those that didn't, I hope they, drop down and resell some for those who actually love Kobe and love his sneakers, can actually cop them and afford them. But it's a dope shoe to have in your collection. If you can get it, get it. I'm glad I got it. What I would say, if you want me to style the sneaker, I want to see how I can put outfits together, whether it's on court, whether it's, leisurely, how I would rock this sneaker, definitely comment that below and I'll get that content out to you. Again, guys, thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. I have more fire content on the way. Peace.